So I wanted to make this little video about the Raptor Super Duty. One of the biggest complaints that I have and a lot of other people have about the Raptor Super Duties is this discharge chute. It has this piece of bar here that's made to protect against hitting curbs or debris, and it has a slope part right here that slopes down, but debris just collects here, builds up here, builds up here. It's one of the worst features on the Raptor Super Duty. I was at the dealer the other day complaining about this, and he said he had an upgrade kit, and the kit comes with this beefy metal brace here that you basically have to come in and cut off this, cut the welds here, cut it back to here. It will remove all of this. A lot of people do this online. They put a piece of angle iron right here to reinforce and stiffen the deck, because otherwise this is just flappy. But this brace should beef it up considerably. I mean, this is a heavy piece of metal. I'd say it weighs good 8 pounds. It comes with all the hardware here, and it comes with instructions here, and I'll post the part numbers online. It tells you exactly where it's cut. I wish I had learned about this for my other Raptor, because this has been a nightmare trying to shoot out little, big tall pieces of grass or banana leaves or whatever I'm hitting, and they all get clogged in here. And every 5 minutes you gotta stop, shut off the blades, pull out the junk. So I'll make another video after this is all installed, but this is what it looked like before, and it's gonna be nice when this thing's in.